channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, guys, so today's video, this is a Dollar Tree haul. I found some awesome fall supplies for Dollar Tree. They are so stinking cute. You guys have got to see this stuff. I found all kinds of different florals, all kinds of different, just lots of new items that the Dollar Tree has put out this year that I've never seen before. So I'm very excited to show you guys this stuff. So let's jump right in. All right, so I thought I would start with some of the new items that I have just recently found at the Dollar Tree. So first up are these really cute pumpkin cutouts. Now, I guess these are supposed to be like footballs, but I love the shape of these because you could totally repaint these and just make them super duper cute. They're cute just like they are, don't get me wrong. All Dollar Tree stuff is cute, but we know why we buy it, just so we can DIY it, okay? Let's be honest. Anyways, super cute. They're very thick, like they're good and chunky, so they will actually sit up on their own, and that's what I like about these. They're just like tabletop decor. That's what the back of them says, but super cute, something different. I really like these. And then along the same lines of that, thick tabletop decor pieces, just like those other ones, they've got some pumpkins like this. I liked this one because it had the extra, like, this is actually raised up off of there, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Anyways, and I thought that that would be really cute to incorporate into painting it, you know, and then be able to use those lines. Anyways, I just thought it would be super cute. So they had these. I picked up 3 of these just because I definitely want to redo these. And I thought, well, I'll get 3 of them. And if anything else, you could use these as a template. You know what I mean? Like, if you just needed the shape of the pumpkin, these are perfect for something like that. They're the perfect shape, the perfect size. They're just really, really cute. And I cannot get over the fact that they're so thick. That's the best part. I mean, they're just MDF. But still, they're good and thick. They will stand up on their own, and you can really, really make these cute. All right, moving on to the next here. They've got the wood cutout pumpkins. Now, you've probably seen these for every single holiday. They are super cute to DIY, just to stain them or paint them, whatever you want to do with them. But these are so cute to use with your DIYs. At the wood cutouts, I stumbled upon this. Guys, how stinking cute is this? That is raised up off of the wood. Now, this is just a wood round. It's kind of got some pumpkins already like wood burned in there, I guess you would say. But I love this part right here because you can paint that and just really make this cute. You could just paint this just like it is, paint it pretty, do whatever colors you're using for fall, and then take one of the welcome signs from the Dollar Tree, the little metal welcome signs, and put it right across the middle, hang this on your door, and it would be absolutely perfect. And you would have spent maybe $2.50. So very, very cute, very fun to DIY with, and I'm very excited about these. Also found this in the hanging decor section. This is just wall decor. Really cute. Now, obviously, I'm going to redo this, but I liked it because, once again, the letters are raised up off of the actual board. So you could paint these black, redo each of your pumpkins, whatever colors you want. This is a fun little project to DIY. So I will be redoing this one, but I think it's super duper cute. And you could use this stuff just like it is. You don't have to redo it. But like I said before, that's what we buy it for. Come on, guys. Be honest. That's what we buy it for. Just because we had an idea and we're like, I could make this look like that. So yeah, I mean, it's just part of it. When you're a DIYer, that's what you do. You just literally look around at random objects and think, what can I make out of that? Just part of it. It comes with the territory. All right, so next up, something super simple, but something I think people kind of forget about is the berry garland. So I picked up several of these. I like this white and green for the fall time because I like to use this as the little tendrils, I think is how you say it. The little squirrely things that come off of the pumpkins, I like to use this berry garland for that. And it's absolutely perfect for that. It's wired, so you can literally wrap it around the end of a pencil or something, pull it off. You've got your little corkscrew. Perfect for pumpkins. Perfect for pumpkins. I found these, too stinking cute. Now, these are good and thick. These will stand up on their own, I think. I think they will. Let's see. Yes. How stinking cute is that, you guys? So, like, this one I will probably leave as it is because I love it. I think it's too stinking cute. This one is darling as well. Don't get me wrong. But these are really cute, and these would be a lot of fun to DIY as well because you've already got the 2 pumpkins. All you got to do is repaint them, maybe fluff up the bow a little bit. But these are really, really cute. And like I said, they're good and thick. They will stand up on their own. These are perfect. Perfect for fall. Something else I found that wasn't necessarily fall, but could be used for fall were these little, I call them little church windows. I don't really know what you call it. It just says decor on the back of it, but they are so cute. They're just little like decorative windows, but so cute and can definitely be redone. Definitely can be redone. So I bought 4 of these just to kind of play with them and see what I could do, see what I could come up with. I wanted to make sure and tell you guys this. I picked up these pumpkins that are on the pick. They're already like in the bag, already on the pick, but you can buy them in a package like this, but you only get 3. Or you can buy them with the pick on them and you get 4. So it was a better deal to go ahead and buy the 4 like this and just pull the pick out of the bottom of them if you don't want the pick on there. But definitely a better deal to buy the package of the decorative picks than to buy the little small pack that's got 3 in it. So just remember that. Oh my gosh. Look at these. They are darling. Absolutely darling. They're little mushrooms, you guys. They're just little squishy mushrooms. They are so dadgum cute. I absolutely love these. I cannot wait to DIY with these. I'll have to make something for my best friend because she loves mushrooms. So these little pumpkins. Now these have a little light on the inside. It may need batteries. I'm not really sure. I don't know. Anyways, I picked these up. I do not think they're cute like this. But anyways, what I'm going to do is take the mesh, the material that is on them off, and then just use the wire shape of the pumpkin and do something completely different with it. I may put beads on it. I could maybe wrap it in twine. I mean, there's so many different things that you could do with these pumpkins just for the pumpkin form that is inside all of this. Like I said, I don't really think these are that cute. They're not my style. They may be somebody else's, and that's totally fine. But it's just not me, and I'm definitely going to be redoing these. But I thought they were a great base to start with for a DIY. So, see, I'm just throwing this stuff in the floor. I mean, like, it's all over my craft room at this point. But whatever. Hey, we're having a good time, ain't we? That's all that matters. All right, so next up, I grabbed some of these pumpkins. Now, they had these last year, but I never did get any of them. And I think they are so stinking cute. They're not the colors that I would use. I don't typically use orange for my fall stuff. I usually do more of the nudes and the, like the green and the white and maybe the little bit of the blue and whatever. Anyway, so I'm going to be repainting these. But guys, these are such cute pumpkins. They're different shapes. I just love them. I love them so much. They're so stinking cute. Now, let me show you guys what I found at the Dollar Tree. I was so excited. So excited. Oh my God. And then went on to other Dollar Trees to find more. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at these. They are pink, you guys. Pink little crochet pumpkins. They had some white ones. Now the white ones are a little bit smaller than the pink ones, but so stinking cute, you guys. So stinking cute. And they're pink. I just cannot get over it. I cannot wait to use these in my decor for fall. I'm definitely going to be putting some pink in there. You know I will have to. So anyways, but I found those and also the pink velvet pumpkins. So I've got several of the pink velvet pumpkins, and then this is how much I've found of the crochet pumpkins. So very proud of these. I cannot wait to start DIYing with this stuff. I love the pink. So something else that I found, that I had seen a couple other people do some hauls and they had found these in their Dollar Trees, but I hadn't personally found any yet. And that is these little baskets. So these are too stinking cute. But if you just need one to like sit out next to maybe your sink, to put your earrings in, put your necklaces on before you go to bed or something, sit it next to your nightstand, these little baskets are perfect. They are the perfect size and they're just so, so cute. Very farmhouse, really, really cute. All right. So that was the majority of the actual items that I had found. The rest of this is going to be the florals that I found at the Dollar Tree. And I am so proud of the Dollar Tree, you guys. Oh my gosh. I'm going to show y'all a couple of the florals that I picked up that they have every year. They always put these out. And then I'm going to show you 2 different sets of florals that I have never seen before. And I was thrilled to find. So I picked up a ton of these, as you can tell. Now, these did not all come from one Dollar Tree. They came from many Dollar Trees. I've been collecting these as I go, but these are the kind of neutral maple leaves with the little neutral pumpkins on them. So stinking cute. These picks are so full. That's one pick. So full. And just so pretty. I just love the colors of these, you guys. So I picked up several of those. I also picked up, because I'm going to be making something with these. The DIY I've got coming up very, very soon. Y'all will be seeing it real soon. But I picked up several of the just plain neutral maple leaves. Now, these are the ones that do not have a pumpkin on them. They're just strictly the leaves. But look at how full those are, you guys. For $1.25, I mean, to me, that's a good deal. But I picked up several of those. And once again, they're not all from the same Dollar Tree. I just kind of hop around from Dollar Tree to Dollar Tree, just looking to see what I can get. If they have 2, I'll pick them up. If they have 5, I'll pick them up. But you know what I'm saying? Like, I just get a couple here, a couple there, a couple there. That way I'm not buying like all of what they have and I'm leaving some for other people. But at the same time, I end up with enough of what I need. Does that make sense? Like, I just go from store to store finding stuff. Anyway, so I got those. And then I also picked up some of these. I think these are gorgeous. The blue with the little neutral pumpkins. Guys, these are so, so pretty. I love the blue. I just think it is so, so, so pretty. So I got several of those. And once again, not from the same Dollar Tree. So don't worry. I did not take them all. But check out these. Oh, you guys. What? Dollar Tree is showing out. Look at this eucalyptus, you guys. And they had like 3 different colors of this. They had a green, they had a rust color, and like a cream gold type looking color. Anyways, I thought these were really pretty. I did pick up 6 of these. I just thought they were pretty. There's something that I'm sure there's something I can do with these. I also picked up some of these. Now, that Dollar Tree has these all the time. This is just something that they normally have. The only thing about these picks is 90% of the time when I go to use these and pull them out of whatever I've got them in, the pumpkins have fallen off of them, and that is a pain in the butt. Like, that's obnoxious. So I don't know about these picks. The pumpkins are not on them very well at all. But anyway, so last but not least, this one last floral pick that I want to show you guys was so stinking pretty, and I've never seen it before. Look at these, you guys. They are like dusty rose peonies. So stinking cute. And they're in the fall section right now. They are so, so, so pretty, you guys. Such a beautiful color. Just so pretty. I cannot believe these came from the Dollar Tree. I mean, I'm being serious. Like, they are darling. So pretty. And they come from the Dollar Tree. Like, what? Anyways, I have found all sorts of neat stuff. I'm very excited about the fall season. I love to decorate for fall and Christmas, and I love to DIY for fall and Christmas, so I can't wait to get some videos like that up for you guys. I hope y'all have been enjoying the content that I have been bringing for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the wedding video. That was super special for me to be able to share with y'all. And I hope that you guys have enjoyed what I have been putting out for you. All right. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right. Thank you so much for being with me today. And y'all have a blessed day.